Stick out your tongue. Stick out your tongue. More. More. Show me more.
Tucker, no. Do you want to watch Frozen?
Jolie. Yeah. You get down. Get down. Down.
Whenever your dog looks deeply into your eyes right before they poop, it means that they feel vulnerable and they trust you to keep an eye out for them. Dogs will actually sneeze when play fighting to show that they're playing around and they don't actually want to hurt you. Whenever your dog leans on you and puts their whole weight onto you, that's actually their way of telling you that they love you.
To the world I close my eyes to see. I close my eyes to see. Every night I lie in bed, the brightest colors fill my head. A million dreams are keeping me awake. A million dreams. I think of what the world could be. A vision of the one I see. A million dreams is all it's gonna take. A million dreams for the world we're gonna make.
Winchester, squeak that damn thing one more time and I swear to God I'll put you outside.
Candle ready? We're going to blow candles. Yay! All right, can you get the little plates, honey? They're up.
I love 它的我的心哦
Oh my god, how are you doing? Oh, you don't have a collar on, do you? Are you just looking at the sunset with me? Do you have a family anywhere? I don't know where you came from.
He's loving life. Look at him.
Dear Diary, after 1,562 days of begging my dearest human not to leave, not to ever leave, he has finally listened. Most of my days now spent staring at him, or following behind him at the distance of 1.5 feet, lest he ever fall. It is truly heaven, and I pray it will stay like this forever.
Oh, and he got to be.
What are you doing? Hi.
Oh, hello. Hello. Hello.
boy. Good boy. Go ahead. Stay. Good job. Stay. Go ahead. Stay there. Good boy. Stay.
Oh my God! Okay, it's happening. Everybody stay calm.
What's the procedure, everyone? What's the procedure?
Stay calm! Wait. Everybody calm down!
I've never shown my dog in a video because he sparks arguments. He is a mutt, and so people always want to argue and say they know what breed he is. So I guess we'll battle it out in the comments. This is him. He's
Hey, Domina, you're adopted.
You guys, I've heard the sex noises, I've seen the drama and the tears, and there's no way.
Don't be fucking rude. Are you kidding me? I swear to God, don't be fucking rude and throw the thing on me. I'll fucking hurt you. Don't do that.
Stop. Oh my God.
Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting. Yes, very distinguished. I see.